Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna present you my equipment, what I'm using to make my videos. And I stopped here in this place. I was just taking a ride to make some shots with a new lens that I got, and I found this place where I can put my things to show you and to present what I'm using to make my videos. Alright, so this is it, and the camera that I'm filming with. Let's start from this side. I have a lavalier, very cheap one from where I got this, from Tamu, something like this. This you attach it to your the place where you want to record the sound, and this you put it in your phone and use record microphone on an application to record something, video. I'm using my sound recorder on the phone. This is to charge them. Alright, this is sound recorder. It has very high fidelity, and I put it in my bag in this box, in the GoPro box, to reduce little the noise, because it's very sensitive and it doesn't have a volume for microphone. This I'm using for my phone. It's a stick where I attach my phone and do some videos with it. This I'm using for my GoPro. I'm attaching the GoPro here. It has some legs. I find it very useful. You can put it in places. And those two things, one to fix tires and one to inflate the tire if something happens with your tire. And inside, one second, I have one extra battery for the GoPro, and I just got a max lens mode to test today to see how it makes the videos. That's it. This is what I'm using for my videos, and the GoPro 11, the camera. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope it's useful for somebody. See you in the next one. Bye.